How to create engaging TikTok ads for your business. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create engaging TikTok ads that actually grab attention and drive results for your business. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Start by identifying your target audience. Know their interests, age group, and what kind of content they interact with on TikTok. Next, keep your ads short, punchy, and visually appealing. The first 3 seconds matter most, so open with a hook that grabs attention instantly. Make sure your content feels native. TikTok users prefer real, authentic content over traditional ads, so aim for a natural, story-driven format. Include a clear call to action like shop now, learn more, or swipe up using TikTok's interactive buttons. And always track the analytics to understand what's working and where to improve. And that's how you can create high-performing TikTok ads for your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. That's all for the video.